Amid an increase in the number of coronavirus cases in Delhi, the administration of Gautam Budh Nagar, adjoining the national capital, started random COVID-19 testing of Delhi to Noida commuters on Wednesday. The health officials were deployed at 2 key locations where they started random testing people coming from Delhi. The decision was taken during an online meeting of senior administration and health department officials with Gautam Budh Nagar district magistrate on Tuesday. Social media giant Twitter has apologized in writing to a key parliamentary panel for wrongly showing Ladakh in China and has promised to correct the error by the month end, the committee's chairperson Meenakshi Lekhi said on Wednesday. Twitter's deposition has come in form of an affidavit signed by Damian Karen, Chief Privacy Officer of Twitter Inc. for wrong geotagging of India's map. As the world is drawing closer to a vaccine for the much-dreaded coronavirus, Infosys co-founder and chairman emeritus N.R. Narayan Murthy has said that people should not be charged for getting a coronavirus vaccine once it becomes available. The business magnate appealed to companies who can afford to bear the cost to give the vaccines for free. He also said that UN Security Council members should share a major part of this cost. DGCA declared that air passenger traffic in India had more than halved in October in comparison to the year-ago period. The civil aviation regulator said that Indian Airlines carried 52.7 lakh passengers last month, which is 57% less than the air passenger traffic recorded in the same month last year. Two-wheeler market leader Hero MotoCorp on Wednesday said that it sold more than 14 lakh units of motorcycles and scooters in retail sales during the festive season. The retails were driven by the strong performance of its popular models, including the 100cc Splendor Plus and HF Deluxe, 125cc Glamour and Super Splendor, and the Extreme 160R and X-Pulse range in the premium segment. After nearly 2 years and a pair of deadly crashes, US Federal Aviation Administration is clearing Boeing 737 MAX for flight. The nation's air safety agency announced the move early Wednesday, saying it was done after a comprehensive and methodical 20-month review process. Regulators around the world grounded the MAX in March 2019 after the crash of an Ethiopian Airlines jet, which happened less than 5 months after Indonesia's Lion Air plunged into the Java Sea. A total of 346 passengers and crew members were killed on both planes. Apple has announced a reduction in its App Store commission rate. As part of a new program for small business, developers earning less than $1 million in sales per year will be qualified for a reduced App Store commission of 15%. According to Apple, this new developer program will accelerate innovation and help businesses and independent developers propel their businesses forward by publishing apps on the App Store. The move will help vast majority of developers who sell digital goods and services on the store with reduced commission on paid apps and in-app purchases.